In this video, we will be learning some opposite words. Opposite words are pairs of words that have completely different meanings. Let's look at this picture. Can you tell what's happening? The girl is awake while the boy is asleep. Our opposite words are awake and asleep. Now, let's look at some more words that are opposites. Let's begin. Hot, cold. The fire is hot. The ice is cold. Front, back. Camel's shirt has an apple on the front. The back of his shirt has nothing on it. Big, small. Sam's ball is big. Sally's ball is small. Clean, dirty. Vicky's dress is clean. Tim's shirt is dirty. Hard, soft. Adam is sitting on a hard wall. Sophia is sitting on a soft pillow. Tall, short. John is tall. Mary is short. Up, down. Abby is going up the stairs. Here, she's going down the stairs. Empty, full. Tim's jar is empty. Tom's jar is full. Wet, dry. Glenn is wet. Gabrielle is dry. Heavy, light. The garbage bag is heavy. The brown box is light. Open, closed. This box is open. This box is closed. In, out. The ladybug is in the jar. Now the ladybug is out of the jar. Fast, slow. The horse is fast. The snail is slow. Sour, sweet. The lemon is sour. The cookie is sweet. Day, night. The sun is out in the day. The moon is out at night. Happy, sad. Maya is happy. Now Maya is sad. Bottom, top. Abby is at the bottom of the castle. Jane is at the top of the castle. Old, new. This bag is old. This bag is new. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for new videos. See you soon.